Shane from Skar Audio. We're going to do some amp dynos today on our SKv2-1300.2AB amplifier. We're going to run 2-channel mode, and we're also going to bridge it at different ohm loads. I have it all wired up to the SMD amp dyno, the AD-1. We'll get going now. Okay, we're going to do the certified dyno run at 4 ohms. Resting voltage is 14.68. Start the track. Okay, 503 at 4 ohms, 14.42 volts. Channel 2 is 490, 4 ohms, 14.42 volts. Okay, we're going to do the certified dyno run. This is at 2 ohms, resting voltage is 14.62. Start the track. Okay, channel 1 did 759 at 2 ohms, 14.22 volts. Channel 2 did 743 at 2 ohms at 14.22 volts. Alright, we're going to do our dynamic power burst run at 4 ohms. Voltage is 14.56. Start the track. Okay, channel 1 is 500 at 4 ohm, voltage is 14.49, and then channel 2 is 491 at 4 ohm, voltage is at 14.49. Alright, we're going to do a dynamic power burst run at 2 ohms, voltage is at 14.53. Start the track. Okay, channel 1 did 809 at 2 ohms, 14.4 volts. Channel 2 did 814 at 2 ohms, 14.4 volts. Alright, we're going to do a dynamic power burst run at 1 ohm, 14.48 volts. We're just going to do this for the guys in competition, wanting to know what this amplifier will do at 1 ohm. So I'll start the track. Okay, so it did 1411 watts at 1 ohm at 14.28 volts and 1382 watts at 1 ohm at 14.28 volts. Okay, we're back with the SKv2-1300.2AB amplifier. We originally had it wired in 2-channel mode, so now we bridged it. Basically it's 1 channel. Have it all wired up, ready to go, so we're going to do some more dyno runs and we'll see what it does. Alright, we're going to do a certified dyno run at 4 ohm. The voltage is 14.83. What we did is we bridged the amplifier because it is bridgeable, and we're going to see what it does at 4 ohms. Alright, I started the track. Alright, so at 4 ohms it did 1149 watts at 14.4 volts. Alright, we're going to do a certified dyno run at 2 ohm. This is also bridged. Resting voltage is 14.87. Let's start the track. Alright, it did 1550 watts at 2 ohms. The voltage dropped down to 14.1. There we go. Very good.